Hello and welcome to a deep cleaning video after a depressive state. It is not pretty, it is not cute, but this is the reality of being in that funk, being depressed, having anxiety, feeling overwhelmed. It gets bad. So I did want to show the real and rawness of it all, and I would love you guys to join me in this journey of transformation and clean, because when you're out of that funk, it feels good to just clean and be productive and just get all of it done. And oh my gosh, I know y'all are like this. It's like, where do I start? I always start in the bathroom. That's my favorite place to clean, and I just get started. So I just get started on my favorite thing to do, cleaning. It's therapeutic, it's awesome, but I gotta be in the mood, I'm gonna need someone to back me up on the dishes here. Y'all know what I mean, right? Come on now. It's nasty, but it's real. Hello, hi guys. I just wanted to end this off to clarify a couple things. Even though I already talked about it in the video, I just literally cleaned the heck out of my room. I got myself out of my funk. I was in a total funk. I was just very overwhelmed. I get like this sometimes, and I always say you can tell by the state of my room or my anywhere how overwhelmed I am, because it shows in my room and anywhere, and I'm sure that's very common for a lot of you. But I wanted to show the reality of things in real life. This is real life. I clean my room. Whew, it looks beautiful. I love it. And also cleaning my room makes me feel more productive. I'm ready for school tomorrow. I feel like I'm about to head. I have a class tomorrow. I'm taking summer school. If you haven't watched my last video, it's a day in the life of a summer school student. But tomorrow I feel like it's the first day of school. I'm like refreshed and ready to go. and I needed this. I felt so overwhelmed in class, and I'm sure a lot of people can relate. The overwhelmed feeling when you're in school. Yeah, I get like this, and my room shows it all over, but I deal with it really internally. Literally, the inside of my head is like screaming when I'm like super overwhelmed, is what I mean. And then my room shows and my stuff. So I showed you guys real and raw. It was not cute, it was not pretty, but now it's cute and it's pretty. And this is just the reality of like depression, anxiety, feeling overwhelmed. And I just wanted to show you guys that you are not alone. And I get it, okay? I'm here. I understand the struggle and the stress. And I love videos like this. I don't know if you guys are like me at all, but I find cleaning videos so satisfying. Literally, it's so satisfying. It's the best thing ever, like watching the transformation. Ugh. And I love just watching sped up cleanup videos with music. It's therapeutic for me. I love it. I'm that person who also likes watching those organization kitchen videos. They're like my favorite videos in the world. So therapeutic, so satisfying. Ugh, I love it. I'm that bitch. That is who I am. That's the bitch that I am. Are you that bitch? Or what kind of bitch are you? Let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, I just wanted to close it off with my face, and yeah, that is it. I'm so excited to sleep and wake up in my bed tomorrow. Ooh, I'm so hungry. I need to go eat. Like, I really am craving some watermelon, and it's super hot in my room. Oh, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Let me know if you can relate, because whew, girl, I can relate, okay? Anyway, remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye, it's see you later. Bye. Wednesday. Bye guys. Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.